How to reset Steam game progress and start over. Want to reset your Steam game progress and start a game from scratch? Here's how to delete your existing save data. First, open Steam. Click Steam in the top left corner and select Settings. Go to Cloud and temporarily turn off Steam Cloud. This prevents your old save data from being restored automatically. Next, open your library, find the game you want to reset, and right-click it. Select Manage, then choose Browse Local Files. This opens the game's installation folder. Look for a folder containing the game's save files, such as a folder named Saves. Open it and delete the saved game files. Once you've done that, close the folder and launch the game again. Your previous local progress should now be removed, allowing you to start fresh. Keep in mind that this method may not work for every game, especially games that store progress online or use cloud-based saves. And that's how to reset Steam game progress and start a game from scratch. If this tutorial helped you, click like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and share this video with others.